So we just got to Vancouver. This is our little spot. Pretty cute, right in the middle of downtown. My cute girlfriend. We didn't have any plans. It's 5:40 right now. Didn't have any plans. Oh. But now we found out that there's Eric Nam, this guy my patient's found that she listens to a little bit. He's playing literally right down the street. So she bought tickets and the show's in like less than 2 hours. We got free drink vouchers from our hotel. And yeah, the start of our trip. Babe, what shot are we on right now?
I think 6. What time is it, baby?
You tell me.
It is shot o'clock.
Day 2.
How much we want each other, hug each other, see how the chips fall into the honey butter. Wasn't nothing but a money grabber like Mr. Krabs. Was it in your plans to fall for me and then hit the dash?
I kind of want to get zapped away one. Not one that's like dangerous, but I just kind of want to feel, you know?
All these kings on me. Play me. I'm out of lives, but please don't save me. Don't do it. I'm out of time, so please don't play me. Controlling my emotions, pushing my buttons all day. Got me running all around.
Train. This week. And we are walking to get some hot dogs.
You try to play me. No, no. Controlling my emotions, pressing my buttons all day.
Like a Picasso.